the rain that nourishes all. This is the compassion of the Buddha. The Dharma King, the awakened Buddha, appears in the world like a great cloud, responding to the desires and capacities of beings. Like clouds filling the sky, lightning flashes and thunder rolls. Rain pours over the mountains, valleys, trees, herbs, and grains, quenching the thirst of all beings. Though the rain is one in taste, each plant, small or large, absorbs it differently and grows according to its own nature. So too, the Buddha's teachings stem from one truth, but reach beings in unique ways. As the rain awakens the earth, so does the Dharma awaken minds, freeing them from suffering and granting both worldly peace and ultimate liberation. One truth, countless blossoms. The Dharma Rain nurtures all. Likes and subscriptions are offerings of the heart.